Welcome to the video YouTube. Thanks for joining me. I hope everyone is well. So if you're looking to find a product to sell on Amazon, you're going to want to use this technique to help you find one quickly. Product research is time consuming for some. Some people get lucky and find a product quite quickly, but I want to share with you this method and hopefully it will help you find a product as soon as is physically possible. Enjoy the video. Remember to comment. About 5% of people who watch the video comment. So guys, if you could help me improve that percentage, I'll be very, very happy. Thanks for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to the video, guys. Thanks for joining me today. This video will be focusing on product research. Arguably, it's the most time-consuming and most difficult part of selling on Amazon. The product is the foundation of everything that follows. And if you've got a poor product and you've chosen the wrong product, it doesn't really matter what you do after that stage, it's going to be difficult to make it work. We need to make sure that our product is rock solid and it's a profitable product that generates high revenue figures every month. Now, there's lots of different techniques when you're looking to find a product to sell on Amazon. Right? Lots of different methods and approaches that you can take, and it's good to be diverse. It's good to try different ways. So this is a different way for you guys to hopefully implement yourselves, and hopefully it helps, right? So if you want to Google and type in Amazon Movers and Shakers UK, most people haven't heard of Amazon Movers and Shakers UK. But if we go into this section and click on a category, so beauty, basically Amazon Movers and Shakers is Amazon telling you what their biggest gainers are in sales rank over the last 24 hours, and it's updated every hour. Now, what do I mean by sales rank? So every product has a sales rank. So let me give you an example. If we click here at this product and we scroll down, we will have a sales rank. Number 19 in beauty and number 4 in permanent hair color. So everything has a rank. The lower the rank, the better. So if this went from 19 in beauty to 10 in beauty, it would be improving and it would be, as a result, getting more sales. So it's indicative of the improvement that a product is making in terms of sales. Now, if we go back here, now why is this important to us when we're looking at product research? Well, we want to find products that are selling well. This is a list of products that are selling well. And it's not just a list of products that are selling well, it's telling you that they're improving. Their sales rank is getting better. So more people are buying this product. Now you'll find products that are reoccurring in this list and they will constantly be improving. And it's an approach that will give you ideas for products that are selling well, basically. And let me give you an example, right? We're in beauty. Now let's scroll down and have a look at a product like this one. So it's improved by 76% with its sales rank. So from 221 to 125. Now, if we click on this product, it's a pair of scissors, right? Let's have a look at what that name is. Komusi. No idea who they are, but they are just a pair of hair scissors, right? Average listing. These aren't 3D rendered images. They're not great, to be honest. They could be improved a lot in terms of quality. You can see the bottom is quite blurred. Let's have a look at how this is doing. So I'm using here, guys, Helium 10. It's a product research tool. If you guys haven't heard of it, go and check it out. It is awesome. We're going to use XRay for this to look at what this product is doing in revenue. So nearly £7,000 a month in revenue from this pair of scissors, right? Now, you may have never stumbled across this idea. It's a simple idea. It's a simple product. And I've literally just found this now from looking at Amazon Movers and Shakers UK. It's improving. Now, one thing to mention, guys, make sure you look at the sales history of products, especially at the moment with COVID. Products are spiking up, some are going down, depending on what the product is. This is an example of something that may be selling better at the moment, because of COVID, right? Everyone wants to get a haircut at the moment. I have had to do my own hair. It's turned out okay. It's not the best, but it's important to make sure that we are looking at the sales history, essentially. But £7,000 per month. And let's jump into another category, right? We don't have to look in one. It will separate the categories on the left-hand side, and you're able to have a look at other products. So let's go into toys and games. And bear in mind, guys, that listing had, 26 reviews, I believe. So not many, 27 was it? Let's have a look. 15 reviews, and it's doing £7,000 a month. So an example. So toys and games. Okay, so 103 reviews. This is improved by 100%. It's literally a candle for a newborn baby. So we can see here, guys, they're just candles, right? They are sold by Unique Party, Ed's Party Pieces. You got number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, etc. And if we have a look at XRay, again, Helium-10 will break down their sales rank, who the buy box belongs to. So if it's a private label product, you will be aiming for one person yourself to have the buy box. But we can see here, 12,952 for the number 1, 103 reviews, sold by Party Bags to Go. Very simple product, right? Low FBA fees. It's not an electrical product. It's not a large, heavy product. It's a good product in terms of the buzz points there. With it being, it's going to be cheap to source. It's going to be light. It's small, which means low storage fees, and because it's light, it will have cheap shipping, and it's fulfilled by FBA. £13,000 a month from literally from a candle. So guys, this is a source for ideas, right? We are looking to find ideas when we're conducting product research. We then validate those ideas using other methods. But this is a way to just get a list, comprise a list of different ideas with high revenue, low reviews, room for improvement somewhere in a niche that isn't too competitive. There's a lot of things that you need to consider. It's not just as simple as just throwing up a product when we move into 2020. There's a lot of work that goes into it, but it's doable. Now, if we have a look, right, we're going to have a look at this product. I'm going to show you something a little bit different as well. So if we go, I'm going to go back to the scissors, right? So let's go back to the scissors and have a look how the search terms are looking, how the volume is looking for search terms relating to that product. So if we go to beauty, let's have a look at how many people are searching for this product on a monthly basis, right? So let's go professional hair selling scissors. Now I'm going to copy the ACE in here, guys. This is just a unique number for the product that every listing will have. Now let's launch Helium-10. We're going to go into Cerebro, right? This is a reverse ASIN lookup. So we're basically going to type in the ASIN here, make sure we've selected Amazon UK, and it's going to tell us what keywords this product is ranking for. So when people are searching for this product, for example, I might be searching for men's hair scissors, we'll find out how this product is ranking for those search terms, the front end search terms. So if we click get keywords, now the reason this is so important is because we want to see what search terms it's ranking for to show where the traffic is coming from. What searches is the traffic coming from, which is funneling and filtering into this listing, creating sales and revenue from that, whatever it was, £12,000 a month or whatever. So it's ranking for 203 organic keywords. We're going to look for a search volume of 200. So we want to see a lot of searches. We don't want to see search terms that it's hardly getting any traffic for, because it's likely not going to be getting many sales for it. Organic rank, let's look at the ranking for this listing between 1 and 15. What do I mean by that? We don't want to see this product ranking on page 10 or page 20 for a keyword, because it's likely not going to be getting any sales from it. We shop on, page 1. So we'll look at the first half of page 1. There's usually about 30 listings on page 1. So from 1 to 15, let's have a look and let's filter this and let's see what it's getting, where it's getting the bulk of its searches from. Right, so a massive source of revenue for this product is scissors for hair cutting, right? 17,000 searches per month. If we look here, hair scissors, 71,000 searches per month. That is huge, guys. That is such a such a high search volume for a product. Now, from looking at this, we can identify keywords that we may want to rank for. Now, I'm not going to go too deep into this because we're going off on a tangent here, but it's important for you to look at the idea. You can then sort of reverse engineer what you're doing and look back on Helium-10 at Cerebro and see what search terms people are typing in to get to this product and subsequently purchasing the product. Now, looking at this, it is getting a hell of a lot of traffic from that search term, from scissors for hair cutting, and from the broader term hair scissors. But what we can do is we can go back to Amazon, we can have a look at how competitive these search terms are and how easy it will be to compete with the competition and the other listings on the page. But just a technique for you guys. I hope you found it useful. Check out Amazon Movers and Shakers UK and see if you can find some products and some product ideas for you to get started. So take care. Make sure you're subscribed and you have your post notifications turned on, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.